All right, everybody, I'm BJ from the 478, and I greatly appreciate you tuning into my channel. So what we got going on down here, this is our brand new store, which we're remodeling as we speak. We're putting in some work. Let's show you what we got to offer here. So we got roughly 4,200 square feet of pure install bays. What we're gonna offer here, we build custom boxes, fiberglass panels. You can check me out on my website, Ocd Audio LLC, and this right here is gonna be the platform where you can drop your car off, get whatever you want, leave it, pick it back up. Once you get it back, we may offer rims, all kind of stuff, total packages. Like what I do with my vehicles, something nice and clean. That's the go-to, that's what we're about. We want nice, clean, we want quality product, quality labor, and everything will be taken care of. So now you see this, then you'll see the after, once we get done with the floors and all that good stuff. Come on in here, let's show you what we got. This right here is gonna be the actual motorcycle room, to where, you know, you get your stereos and all that good stuff. Exhaust, whatever you want from me, this will be the room to actually where we will be working on motorcycles in here. We got TVs going up in here, toolboxes, all that good stuff. But basically, I got a room dedicated strictly for motorcycles and motorcycle stereos and all that good stuff. So you're not having problems with your bike getting knocked over. It's well taken care of, and I can do all the maintenance right here in this room. So in here, we're gonna have all display, all amps mounted up on the walls. I have a demo car coming in here, and we're gonna do the project on it, building it, taking it apart and rebuilding it back in this showroom. So you're gonna turn around, you're gonna have a car in the middle, you're gonna have all your product, stock rooms, actual register room right there for the reception. We will offer a waiting room in here to where, hey, look, you wanna drop your car off, bam, won't take but about an hour. Come in here, internet, TV, whatever you want. We will be offering a ride share system to where customers can drop off their vehicles and actually get taken out back to work or whatnot. We offer those services as well. Over here, this room right here is what's gonna pay the bills. So once you get checked out and all that good stuff, got a room in here. We're gonna turn around, just get it nice and clean. We're gonna build a custom desk right here for the POS system. We will offer different finance companies, so everything will be in-house. We will offer in-house financing as well with a low APR rate, but we encourage, financing is more than anything. So cash is king, but financing, and I will offer incentives on that as well. Roughly 3% or something. We will offer same-day service. We're gonna get the whole building camouflaged. We're gonna do a camouflage blue and gray and white. So that base coat right there is coming off, that's the primer on there, and we're gonna go ahead and get that taken care of. They're gonna put up the signs and all that good stuff. So we should be open and up and running anywhere from maybe February 8th to the end of February or beginning of March. But I'm BJ from the 478. You gotta stay tuned to my channel, and then you'll see the aftermath of everything, and we'll upload the videos when we're ready to go live.